Raphael. Hi. Wait, Raphael, wait, bye. Wait, bye-bye. Hello, Raphael. Oh, you want them? This is what he did last night. Yay! Stomped our ceiling. It's drying, and tonight is Wednesday. So tomorrow, what happens, Briella?
What?
Do you know what happens in this room tomorrow?
We paint!
Yes, and what does that mean?
I don't know.
That hopefully by this weekend we have a living room.
Yay!
Yeah. Be so exciting. Yay! We have not shown you, but the wiring all got done last week. Look at all this wiring. Hallelujah. I done pulling all the lath off so it fits a little better. Look at all that wiring. Fresh, new wiring. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What are we crying about? Do you even know? Hey, here we go. This room. We got all the lath off in this room. Because they didn't have any lath there. I took out a wall. Yahoo! Which is going to make this room so much better. Look how big it is. So much better than my last house. Still have to frame up that doorway. And I got the framed up on the other doorway, and I opened up that doorway. So, makes it longer to get to the bathroom, but, you know, we are surviving. I've got to take out that. Briella helped, and so did Edward, didn't you, Edward? Uh-oh. Somebody's missing a shirt. So, we are making progress. Progress is happening here. Whoa. Are we gonna go for a walk? Do you like walks? Huh? Does Raphael like a walk? Yeah? We're gonna go explore that field over there. It's a big field. Should we go see what's in there? Do you wanna go see? First we should see the kittens. This is our pretty little kitten. Aren't they adorable? Oh wait, where'd she go? She's adorable. We did have 3 little kittens. We don't know what happened to the other 2 right now. Maybe they're exploring. But we have a big white one. She is watching out for him. This little one. She's a sweetie.
Her name is Minnie.
Oh, and there's the other kitten.
The kitty and Minnie are so best friends.
Oh, yeah? So do you like your cats?
Yeah.
What's the best part about living in the country?
The kitties.
Oh, yeah? What's your favorite part, Edward?
Back up.
So, Edward, what did we promise that you get to have when we move to the country?
Look, I can run backwards.
What animal are you going to get?
Doggy.
A doggy? How long have you asked for a doggy? A long time. Since you were younger than Raphael, you were just a year old.
I can run backwards. Did you guys see me? That was fun. I'm back.
Raphael, what do you think? Huh? Do you like the country? Do you like the kitties? You like kitties? Are they cute? Yeah. Do you like the swimming pool? Cool, yeah, it's fun, isn't it? It's too cold to go swimming now, isn't it?
Lizards, I need to catch some.
Some what?
Lizards.
Lizards, why?
Because they sound cool. Mommy. Hey, can we show them the pond?
Yep.
Okay, look, I'm walking backwards. Me too, I can look backwards. That's fun. And I don't even have to look backwards. There's something right there behind me. I'm like, I don't care. They're behind me.
Edward, do you have anything to share? What do you want to say?
We took a walk out there yesterday. These never take it for anything. I can outside.
Sure.
Can we go this way? Can I just see it from here? Mommy, you can do it. I did the other way.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there's turtles in this though.
So this is what we take Raphael on nice little walks for. I made this specially for him. I made it for him before he was born.
Mommy, come
Very
on,
nicely.
go around the pond.
We like it.
Wave for Mommy to go around the pond.
What are they?
Hey!
Oh, they're hay. Hey,
Did
hey.
they die? They turned
pretty
into
flowers.
hay. They turned into
There's
hay after
some
he
white
died.
flowers. Ooh, and these ones are really pretty. I like these
Mommy!
little pink ones.
Mom,
Raphael likes bringing me flowers, don't you? You like flowers, Raphael? What is Raphael? What is it? It's a flower. Do you bring me flowers? He likes bringing me daisies. The ones that are puffballs now. I guess they're more like daffodils. I guess they're daffodils, yeah. He likes bringing me daffodils after he blows them all off. He's like, flower, like a big gift for me, and gives me a kiss. It's so sweet and cute. I just love it. Oh, Grandma took you out here?
no, Hannah.
Oh, Hannah did.
We walked Hannah out.
Oh.
Oh, and we made 100 splashes. We just take the one that on the roof. We got here, and then Grandma came out. Did get all the way here, because we were already on our way back when she came.
Oh yeah, did Raphael get to come out?
Yeah. Hannah walked with Raphael. And we did not go all the way over here.
Oh yeah? How do you guys like the land? Is it pretty?
Yep, it's gorgeous.
Oh, the back of the barn looks pretty too.
Yeah, it's like really pretty. Probably got like we got too close to it. What's this?
That fence is the edge of our property. We've got some really nice neighbors. We've enjoyed getting to know them. So,
I found the farm.
feel very safe way out in the country having such neighbors. And being close to Isaac's aunt and uncle. If I ever need anybody. That used to be a pond apparently, right over there. We should go check it out.
Look down it.
Oh yeah?
All the way up to that top of the hill.
Oh, there was a creek down here. That's right. And it fills this pond up.
We're slipping.
Very bouncy. Ouch. And there's some chiggy things.
He has shorter legs. He has taller rainbows.
Oh, that's cool view.
Come on, look. Let's go to the pond. Let's go to the creek.
Oh yeah, you gonna take? Go ahead. I'll follow you.
Okay, Mom. Oh, it's way. Oh, sticky thing. Watch out for them. Oh. Remember what those? Hold on, ow! I got pricklies on my leg. Yeah, some more pricklies over here on the other way. Oh, you gotta be careful. Oh, pricklies.
Sometimes if you step on the branch, the grass or the branches that are gonna hit your legs, so they don't hit your legs. Oh, look at this nasty one. That nasty looking thorny thing. Ouch!
And that's
Ooh, and some of these. Look at those.
And look, there's some nasty thorny things over
Those
here
look
too.
painful.
Come on, let's keep going. We're going to the pond. We're gonna go to the pond. We're gonna go to the pond. Great! The creek's full. Where's the creek? Where is the creek? Is this the creek?
Nope, this was a pond. There's no pond here.
This is pond.
It's a dry pond bed right now.
Where's the pond? Where's the pond that Grandpa showed me?
Of what?
This pond, there's 2 ponds downstairs and
Yeah, there's 2 ponds, but this one's not full right now because it's not wet enough. Or it doesn't retain water, I'm not sure.
It used to be a pond, but a tree fell in it.
A tree fell in it?
Yeah.
Oh, what did the tree do?
It got the pond from doing in. See that tree right over here? This is what they were talking about.
You have something to say? Raphael. What do you want to say? What do you have to say? Huh? What's over there?
It got too full and so
Do you like it?
ran everywhere.
Oh, you see the barn? Do you see the barn?
That pond just like happened all over the place.
Say hello.
Whoa.
Who is that? What's that noise? Do you hear it? Is that a train? Say choo choo. Yeah. Is Edward stuck down there? Should we save him? Are you having trouble getting back up, Edward? You can do it. It's a little difficult, isn't it? You got hurt?
No, there's something that popped up down there. It was right down there, near that tree. And when I got close to it, it wasn't my foot. I just can't. Something pushed it up each time. When I backed up, so I kept on doing that. So how I knew there was something moving under that foot. It could see me. So that's why we gotta dig up where next time when we go down here, I'll show you where I saw that. Then it will pop up and then we'll dig into that place first. And before we do that, we're gonna have to bring a shovel and dig it up. Away. And we go over there to our house and inside.
Oh.
So that's how we knew.
This is the back of the barn. Look at that. Isn't it amazing? Look at the levels of rocks and concrete they would have put in there to make this foundation.
And look
Back
over
of the
here.
barn.
Look over here.
Oh, up here.
Look over here, guys.
It's starting to try and
Hey,
fall
you
off.
guys, on
Yeah.
the camera. Look
Fix
over
that
here.
one day.
Mommy,
We have time.
look over here.
Oh my. It's a beautiful barn though. It's a lot to do. Edward wants to see. What's wrong?
Look up there. Look,
Oh yeah?
that door. We need to and why
Oh.
are we not painting it red again?
Oh, you're gonna paint it?
No, I want you to paint. I'm asking you why are we not going to paint red again?
I don't know. I didn't even think about it being painted red. I guess it was painted red, wasn't it?
Mhm.
Yeah. Should we paint it red?
Mhm.
Yeah. You gonna paint it for us?
And we get nice new boards to replace.
Edward,
the
you gonna
old
paint it for us?
Yeah, we gotta fix up this whole barn.
Hey, Edward, you gonna paint it for us?
Because I get only if I wear a shirt that is all green, gets ready. Is ready to, and I'll paint. Mommy, come here. It's beautiful over here. It's like that is not like the orchid. We gotta refix it. We gotta refix. Boy! got my feet. Wait, the back of my head where I want it. No, there isn't. Hey!